Temsu, the officer in charge of Silpugram under Northeast Zone Cultural Center, Dimapur. My colleague, Sri Opon Deka, Sri Lahon, and all the participants who were associated with me for a period of time to know about the ancient art form that is puppetry. It is ancient because it has no date and day when it was born and where it was born. But most of the people, most of the scholars of the world are in the same opinion that puppetry was born in India, that too in Rajasthan. The birthplace is called Marwar, a province where the businessmen moved all over the world with their business, and this art form that is Kathakali, they took with their business and spread all over the world. But in 7th to 11th century, in Assam, we have the record of Kalika Puran, Pansalika Bihar, where Pansali means puppetry, and in Singhasan Batrisi, that is the throne of King Vikramaditya, it is called 32 puppets were there as the legs of the great throne, and all the legs, each and every leg of the throne, they appeared and they narrated one story to the great king Vikramaditya. Putola naচ বা puppetry পুৰণি বুলি একাৰণে কোৱা হয়, এই এনচিয়েন্ট বুলি একাৰণে কোৱা হয়, তাৰ কোনো ৰেকৰ্ড নাই। এনচিয়েন্ট শব্দটোৰ অৰ্থই হ'ব যে প্ৰাচীন, প্ৰাচীন মানে তাৰ কোনো ৰেকৰ্ড নাই, কোনো তাত ডকুমেণ্টেশ্যন নাই। গতিকে অসমত water puppetry আছিলে in 11th century, which has already been migrated to eastern countries like Vietnam, Laos, Singapore, Thailand, China, Taiwan, etc. etc. গতিকে অসমত থকা water puppet বা জল পুতলাও এসময়ত অসমৰ পৰা নাইকিয়া হৈ গ'ল। গতিকে under the able guidance of Northeast Zone Cultural Center, we, the Tatek Theatre, Guwahati, Assam, we are very thankful and grateful to NEZCC, the director Jitul Sonwalji. At the same time, my good friend Oliver Temsu, who has encouraged me to conduct a workshop. It was started in 11 March till 15th of March 2020, but unfortunately due to the pandemic of COVID-19, we were forced to postpone the workshop, and today this culmination program is on in front of you, all the audiences who are very kind to witness our puppet show. গতিকে সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো, আদৰণি জনাইছো, আৰু Oliver Temsu, the officer in charge of Northeast Zone Cultural Center, station at Silpugram, I would like to request you, Mr. Temsu, to come over the stage, please. Come on. Our manager, workshop manager, Opon Deka, our মুখ্য অতিথিক এখন গামোচাৰে সম্বৰ্ধনা জনাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো। Oliver Temsu, he is a very well versed in all the art forms of Northeast Zone Cultural Center as well as all the brothers and sister states of Northeast. But I would like to request him kindly to speak a few words.
evening. Hello. Good evening to you all. It is a wonderful privilege for me to stand in front of you all today on this day of this culmination of this workshop, puppetry workshop. As mentioned by our Rashba Sahab, actually it was supposed to be culminated in the month of March during the Shilp Mahotsav, but unfortunately due to COVID-19 pandemic as well as lockdown, it could not be culminated on that set period. But luckily today we have a privilege to watch the culmination day of what they have produced. Regarding puppet, I don't know much about puppet, but through my experience when I have worked with him in the year, I think it was around 2008-9, when we had a puppet show. That time I realized that puppet is a good medium and one of the best medium to spread the awareness, the cultures, and whatever message you want to spread it to all over the world. It is through puppet that we can effectively spread the message to each and every individual, whoever watches it. I still remember when I was young and I was studying in high school, it was my first time that I could watch a puppet show, which they have come all the way from Rajasthan and they have showcased a beautiful show. And that time only I have come to know the different cultures of different places of India. And that time I have come to know the Mahabharata and all this Hinduism, epic mythology, stories, which they have depicted in the puppet show. So that way it has affected my life, and that way I have come to know that with the short puppet show also, I have come to know the vast diversity and the knowledge of the Mahabharata. So it's like that. So every puppet carries a message, and I wish all the best to all the participants who are about to showcase this beautiful puppet show tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Officer in Charge. এইখিনিতে আমাৰ পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টৰ হৈ দৰকাৰ সমগ্ৰ ক'বৰ কাৰণে প্ৰীতম চৌধুৰী মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ জনাইছোঁ। প্ৰীতম চৌধুৰী তেওঁ প্ৰশিক্ষাৰ্থী, কিন্তু তেওঁ এজন ফিজিকেল এডুকেশ্যনাৰ, অৰ্থাৎ লক্ষ্মীবাই ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যনৰ পৰা তেওঁ পাছ আউট আৰু তেওঁ PG কৰিছে কুৰুক্ষেত্ৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ পৰা। গতিকে শৰীৰ চৰ্চাবিদ হিচাপে যদি তেওঁ অৱশ্যে তেওঁ শৰীৰটোৱে ক্ষীণমিন, কিন্তু তেওঁ আতিল শৰীৰৰ। গতিকে পুতলা নাচ সম্পৰ্কে তেওঁৰ যিটো অনুভৱ সেইটো ব্যক্ত কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাম।
ধন্যবাদ। Very good evening to everyone present here, especially Mr. Temsu. Thank you for your kindness and giving us an opportunity to learn so many things about puppetry. And special thanks to Mr. Sabin Raskwa for teaching us, directing us in the land of puppetry. So first of all, when I came to learn about this, hear about this thing about the puppetry, first thing was I never practiced anything, or like I have never saw, never seen anything like puppetry. And whatever I have seen is like television movies, animated movies. But this is the first time I'm learning about puppetry, and it was a great experience. And I hope like a youth like me would come and join the puppetry group, like for further demonstration of the ancient Indian culture to move forward to the next level. And on my personal experience about the puppetry, it's a great art, great form of art that has been given to us right now. And everything that, like the waste materials that we used to make the puppetry, to develop every single piece of the puppet, it was a great experience. And also also like the movements and everything. The most important thing is to do puppetry. You have to learn every single thing. You can be a carpenter, you can be a painter, you can be a tailor. Every single thing you have to know about the puppetry. Even the sticks, the nails, the hammer we use, everything. Like it was the first experience. So in fitness line, when I was studying in physical education, doing my physical education, I never saw these things in my life. I never used a hammer, nor nails. I have seen no, I've done tailoring or something. But this is my first experience, and I am very happy. And it was the most enjoyable moment, till now. And the dramas, the scenes we practiced, it was like great, funny. We enjoyed a lot, and almost like everything we used to learn, every single day we learned new things. So thank you very much for giving us this opportunity, and we hope we can do further programs like this, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Pritam Chaudhary. এতিয়া আমি মঞ্চত পুতলা নাচ আমাৰ যিখন প্ৰডাকশ্যন কৰা গ'ল লতি ঘটি পঞ্চতন্ত্ৰৰ গল্প আকাৰত সেইখন প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰা হ'ব। তাৰ আগতে প্ৰশিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলক প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ বিতৰণ কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ। অকণ ডেকাক প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ লৈ আহিবলৈ কৈছোঁ। যিকেইজন ইয়াত উপস্থিত আছে সেইসকলকে আমি প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ বৰ্তমান বিতৰণ কৰিম। COVID-19 পেণ্ডেমিকত কেইজনমান প্ৰশিক্ষাৰ্থী আমাৰ অসুস্থ হৈ থকাৰ কাৰণে আজি উপস্থিত থাকিব পৰা নাই। প্ৰীতম চৌধুৰী, ৰাজীৱ ৰয়, বিধান সোনাৰ, আমি প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ বিতৰণ অনুষ্ঠান ইমানতে সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ আৰু ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি প্ৰদৰ্শনীৰ কাৰণে আগবাঢ়িছোঁ। খেল প্ৰগ্ৰামৰ বিশেষ কৰ্তব্যৰত বিষয়া অফিচাৰ ইনচাৰ্জ তেখেতে ইয়ালৈ অহাৰ কাৰণে উই আৰ ভেৰি থেংকফুল টু মিষ্টাৰ অলিভাৰ থেমছো। At the same time, once again, we are grateful to North Indian Cultural Center, its staff, যিসকলে আমাক সকলো ফালৰ পৰা সহায় কৰিছে। গতিকে এতিয়া সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাই এই অনুষ্ঠুপীয় অনুষ্ঠান ইমানতে শেষ কৰি আমি এতিয়া প্ৰদৰ্শনী আগবাঢ়িছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
খোৱালে বোৱালে ধন দিলে আৰু দিলে এটা পাঠা কি কৰোঁ নকৰোঁ সেইবোৰনো তোৰ কিহৰ দৰকাৰ?
এইফালে কোনাই আহিছে ৰজাৰ চন্তৰী যেন পাইছো
কি কৰোঁ কলৈ যাওঁ নাই ধনন্তৰী কি কৰোঁ এইবাৰে মৰিলো নিকমে মৰিলো বল ভিতৰলৈ বল তোৰ কিবা বোলে সাজু হ'বৰে হ'ল বল ৰাতিপুৱাই ৰজাৰ ঘৰলৈ গৈছে খবৰ ৰাখিছ দেৱালীৰ নামত কি এটা মহাভণ্ড তোমালোকৰ কথা নহল ঠিক এয়া শুনা যে ঠিক 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 দেশৰ ৰজাৰ ল'ৰালোক অৰিপতে দিছেগৈ তাতে যোগ মনে কৰে বিধ বস্তু বেহানি আৰু আনিব ধৰ্মিক আৰু দেখিছনে নাই কি সৰু আৰু দেখিছনে নাই কি কি সৰুটো আহিলে যেন পাইছ সৰু তই চাহটোকে পাকটো দেখিছ যেন পাইছো মোৰ আঙুলি বুঢ়ে বুঢ়ে তোৰ নাকটো দি চাচোন সৰুটো এই যে সৰুটো দেখিছ আমি বুঝছো না তিনিওটা আঁতৰি আঁতৰি থাকা আৰু তাৰপিছত এই পাবহি যে প্ৰতিটোৱে মাথাটো কুকুৰ কৰিব পিছত কি হব তহঁতে কথাটোকে বুজি নাপাবনে বেকাই ক সৰু পালি সিহে কুকুৰ গোটত আহিছে পাবহি তিনিওটাৰ মুখত কুকুৰ বুলি শুনিলে তেন্তে মাথাটো কুকুৰ বুলি বিশ্বাস কৰিব বস্তুকে আনিছে ৰাতি হলে বেছ চোৰ খেদিব পাৰিব এই জাতিটো আকৌ বৰ প্ৰভুভক্ত নহয় নে কি কৰে তোমাৰ সেইবোৰ টাংটিঙালি মৰা কথা কৈ থাকিলে কি হ'ব মই যাওঁ বুজিছা দেৰি হৈছে বেজ হইলে এনে এবিধ বস্তু কাণত তুলি লইলে যাওঁ যাওঁ ৰাইজে যদি বেজ ফুৰ্তি ল'ব যাওঁ ৰজাই বেজক দিলে ৰজা ঘৰৰ উপহাৰ পাই পেটৰ ফুৰ্তি মিলে পিছে কিনো হ'ব বাটতে পালে থক অনা বিধাতাই বেজৰ ললে নহবৰে হ'ল কিনোতে কাল হ'ল বেজ বপুৰাৰ ছাগলীটো ভগৰ হাতত গ'ল